3-syllable challenge words. How to decode words using syllabication. 1. If possible, underline all vowels. 2. Identify vowel and consonant patterns. 3. Break up the word into syllables using these patterns. 4. Say each syllable to yourself. 5. Say them together to decode the word. 3-syllable challenge words. Afternoon, afternoon. Bumblebee, bumblebee. Cabinet, cabinet. Computer, computer. Connection, connection. Description, description. Electric, electric. Envelope, envelope. Excellent, excellent. Finicky, finicky. Gibberish, gibberish. Gingerbread, gingerbread. Grandfather, grandfather. Grandmother, grandmother. Grasshopper, grasshopper. Hamburger, hamburger. Humdinger, humdinger. Illustrate, illustrate. Importance, importance. Neighborhood, neighborhood. Photograph, photograph. Slippery, slippery. Suggested, suggested. Suspected, suspected.